Wanted man Goblin taken out by cops in Franklyn town.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police gunned down one of the island's most wanted men during an alleged shootout in Franklyn town on Saturday afternoon, June 3. The deceased, a notorious gangster known as Andrew Goblin Thompson, who had been wanted in connection with several crimes including murder and shooting with intent. He has featured prominently on the Jamaica Constabulary Force's most wanted lists. The Constabulary Communication Unit, in confirming the incident, said based on preliminary reports, there was a confrontation between the deceased and the police a few minutes after 5 p.m, during which he was shot. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. A 9mm pistol was reportedly recovered, the police said. The 26-year-old, whose last known address was Bryden Street in Kingston 16, was alleged to have fired shots at a police unit in Franklyn town in June before escaping in a nearby gully.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!